Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to change Bitmoji on Snapchat. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the Snapchat application. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Snapchat if you haven't already done that. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. In the bottom right corner, we have the spotlights. We have here also the stories where you can check out your stories with your friends. We have of course, as you can see, the camera and the chat and your location in the bottom left corner. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and change Bitmoji on Snapchat. So first of all, to change your Bitmoji on Snapchat, you can follow these 5 steps that I'll be just telling you now. So open the Snapchat app and go to your profile. Then, when you went to your profile, when you open the Snapchat app, tap on your Bitmoji. You can do that by clicking on the top left corner where your Bitmoji is at the moment. When you did that, of course, then you can choose to either change your outfit or edit your avatar. So either of those options. Then use the customization bar to find the features you wish to change. After you found the features you wish to change, just need to tap save your changes and your changes will be saved, and that's basically that. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it'll be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I already told you, I hope that you found this video informative. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, bye guys.